how to get Skillshare free trial. So hello everyone, so today's video I'll just show you guys on how to get the Skillshare free trial. So without further ado, let us begin. So if you guys want to get the Skillshare free trial, make sure to click on the link in the description below, and then this will redirect you to this page right here and where you can sign up for the Skillshare free trial. So in here you can either get 7 days free trial or a 1 month free trial when you're going to sign up for Skillshare. So in signing up for Skillshare, make sure again to click on the link in the description below, and then the sign up options right here include that you can sign up with your Google account, continue with your Facebook account, or continue with your Apple account. Or you can just simply do it manually, like typing in your first name and last name and email address, and then just simply continuing. And then after signing up, you will now get your free trial for Skillshare. So other free trials right here include this one right here, the TEDx free trial. So this one in where you can get a 1 month free trial right here. So sign up for Skillshare membership to unlock full access to thousands of classes taught by creative pros and industry icons. No commitments, and then you can cancel it anytime. So so you can redeem your 1 month trial right here. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So again, if you want to get the free trial for Skillshare, make sure to click on the link in the description below to get that free trial. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.